are getting ready to go out to US 131. We are going to do some testing and see what we can do in some good air again. We're actually doing some testing for Torqstorm. They put their new blower on. It's the same size as my old one. It's one of the new G8 kits. They've been having some issues, so they wanted to see what they can do with the modified one. We said that we would do some testing and hopefully let them know what's going on with it. So to get ready for tomorrow, I have to wash my car. It is filthy dirty from being in the rain going up to Torqstorm. We took it up there and they actually put the new blower on. So gotta get it ready and washed and looking sparkly clean. So come with me to wash my car. She does not like cold starts. All right, well, maybe she won't start. There we go. That's a wrap. We are here at US 131 Motorsports Park. We are testing out a bracket, a new Torqstorm bracket.
This bracket is for the G8s. What it did is it put the blower more up and down instead of it being at an angle, and we are testing it out for them to see if we can have any issues with it.
don't mind me running through the beams. I got a little too excited and the gas foot got heavy. So it's been a couple of days since we took the car to Martin. We ended the day with a 1044 and it hit 9.9 pounds of boost. So we're pretty excited about that. We didn't have any issues at all. We think the bracket and the way the supercharger is now sitting up straight is working really well. We are actually, sadly, not going to be making it to Oklahoma City Streetcar Takeover. We've just had some stuff going on, so we decided to not go. But we were thinking about going back up to Martin and get another track day in. The weather's not looking great, but we're keeping an eye on it just to get another track day on this setup to make sure everything is good. But yeah, that is the update, and thanks guys for watching. We'll see you later.